Hello everyone and welcome to our look at these amazing Ollny solar string lights for your yard. These lights feature a large battery that provides 18 hours of bright illumination on a single charge. You can choose from 8 different lighting modes to create the perfect atmosphere for any outdoor event. With an IP67 waterproof rating, these durable lights work perfectly in rain or even heavy snow conditions. You can install the solar panels in 4 different ways to fit any space in your garden. The total length reaches over 200 feet, which makes it easy to decorate very large outdoor areas. These warm white LEDs are the perfect choice for a beautiful and eco-friendly lighting setup today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.